Hey guys, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to make $112,000 in revenue with only 12,000 in ad spend, or in other words a 10 return on ad spend. So this is done with Google Ads, Google Shopping Ads, and I will walk you through the whole setup here. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've grown my own e-commerce brand Nancy Home Store to around $9 million in sales, and now I'm helping others to do the same thing. So let's get right into it. So as you can see in the campaign section, is that we're basically only running shopping campaigns and pretty much only manual shopping campaigns, that is. So when it comes to these campaigns, the main thing that we want to do, especially in the beginning, is to put them on a very low cost per click, and we want to divide the products over multiple campaigns, essentially having one product category per campaign. Or what you can even do, which was done in this case, is where you even have like 3 campaigns for one product category. So there's one high intent shopping campaign, then a medium intent, and then a low intent. And then what you do is basically put the high intent cost per click bid the highest, and then the middle campaign on a middle bid, and then the lowest campaign on the lowest cost per click. And then basically the most relevant search terms you want to exclude from the low and middle intent campaign. So these get bumped up to the high intent campaign, and there basically only like very relevant search terms will be sort of accumulating. So let me just show you an example here of a campaign like this. So this is a low intent campaign, and then when you go to the keywords, you can see here there's like tons and tons of negative keywords being added, like in this case 800 negative keywords just in a random campaign, right? So in total in this account there's like thousands of negative keywords added, and a negative keyword basically is a keyword that is like not relevant to your business, right, or to that specific campaign. So you add a negative keyword when you identify a keyword or a search term that came through that should not have come through. And essentially this way you're saving a ton of budget, because if you don't do this, you're just going to waste a ton of ad spend that Google is going to use for keywords that are not going to bring in sales for you at all, or that are actually very relevant but that you want to bump up to like a medium or high intent campaign. So that's what we also use negative keywords for. So that's pretty much the main thing in order to get started. The goal is to get to around 30 purchases in the last 30 days, so you can put it on like a performance max campaign, which with this account is also starting to happen now, and that's actually performing really well because of all the conversion data in the account already, right? So that's basically how it's done. Other than that, it's of course important to have your website completely optimized to even start anything like this. Have really good product content as well. That means mainly your product pictures. You can generate some really nice ones as well with AI. If you don't have great product pictures at the moment, then I highly recommend to check out either the Google AI tool to generate that, or other AI tools like Clade.ai. These also work well. And yeah, that way, honestly, Google Shopping Ads work really profitable, like a lot of the times. Like, just your products need to be in demand, of course. There needs to be search volume for your products. It can't be like crazy expensive compared to your competition, especially with Google Shopping Ads. That's very important because people can literally see you side by side with your competition, right? So make sure that your price is like reasonable. So maybe you're selling a premium version of the product of your competitors, then of course it's fine to charge more, right? Because you're delivering more value. But in general, you want to have like fair pricing compared to your competition to basically win with Google Shopping Ads. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know, of course, if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.